Ever wondered what an NFT really is and why everyone's talking about the Solana blockchain? Hi, I'm Amrita Sethi, and I'm the creator of the Bucket Monsters NFT PFP collection. Solana offers an amazing community where you foster growth, friendship, and understanding. And as the Bucket Monsters is all about being uniquely different, being able to express who you are by expressing your mess, but also by going inward and cleaning your bucket. Solana, for me, really embodies the ethos of the Bucket Monsters collection. So how do NFTs and Solana connect? Solana's cutting-edge technology supports thousands of transactions per second, making it a favorite for artists and developers in the NFT world. This means more creativity, more trading, and more opportunities for you to engage with digital assets at a speed of light. Curious to own a piece of digital revolution and own your very first Bucket Monsters? Follow along